Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. Here I have planned a birthday card again, and for that I have cut some balloons in my big shot machine, and I have taken a time to tie those balloons. And I have already cut my card base of 5x7 card of size and a layer. For that video of card and layer, I will put a link on the screen somewhere where I have explained in detail how I cut my card base and layers. So you can go there and see how I do that. And this is the twine, how I have placed them on the balloons on the screen, and where I didn't have the space to tie them, I have just used a double-sided tape to stick them behind. And this is the negative of the sentiment which I have made the card before. The video of this card is already on my channel. I will put the link of that video as well here on the screen. So I have just put that negative of the sentiment on the card base, leaving the 1/8 inch border all around, and I am using it in my new card. The whole idea of making this card video to tell you that don't ever throw your negatives of any sentiments. Please store these and think ways how can you use those sentiments, negatives. Not even not only sentiments, you can use any die cut negatives in very creative way to make another card. So don't ever waste your card stock which is negative. So here what I have done, I have taken my balloons and I am just putting them in a way that they will look like a bunch of balloons, and I am giving depth to them by using foam tape behind. So I am just giving a depth of 3 depths in these. In the bigger balloon I have given a maximum depth. Then now I am using a less height of the blue dot, and the third one I will stick on the layer itself. So let me just stick these very quickly and come back to you. So here this is how I have made this bunch of balloons. I am now taking these string in a way that I am holding these balloons in a bunch with a string, and here I am gluing that with a double-sided tape to keep them straight there. So one of the string I can see is shorter there, so always take a longer string, but nevertheless my sentiment is quite broad, so it will come underneath of that sentiment. So I am okay to put a little more double-sided tape there, and I will burnish this very well so that it will stick well on the layer. And I'm just snipping off my extra twine there, and I'm removing my backing of the sentiment from the double-sided tape, and I am placing my layer in a way that I wanted to put this sentiment really straight down there, like so. Sometimes it's very difficult to put the sentiments on the right place because I have removed all my backing of double-sided tape, and it is very sticky tape, so it sticks quite well very quickly. So always remove your backing halfway through to get some wiggle room. I will explain you that when I will stick my layer on my card base. So whatever extra is there, I am removing already. This is looking beautiful here. The layer is almost done, and I think this is a very smart way to use your negatives, and you can come up with new ideas, and you can make one more card out of that. So this is it for this layer, and let's assemble our card now. Let me take my card base, and we will put our layer onto the card base now. So if you are liking my videos, please hit that like button and do subscribe my channel to get new videos whenever I upload, and for that please do hit that bell icon also, so that you get the notification whenever I upload my new videos. So this subscription is free, so there is no charge. You can learn free here in my channel, so please do subscribe. And I am putting my double-sided tape on the layer like so, covering all the edges, and I will make it on the center as well, so that if you mail your cards, so it will not damage. So this is how in the center also you should put your double-sided tape. So if somebody puts in mail, or anybody, if somebody presses from the top, you will not get a damage. Your card will not damage, it will not bend from there. So that's why we put it on the center as well. So now the tip is what I was trying to tell you when I was staking my sentiment, to remove your backing of double-sided tape halfway through. By doing so, you will get a wiggle room to adjust your sentiment on the right place, or adjust your layer on the right place. So like so, see, I am doing it halfway through. I am just pressing it there halfway and stopping it. So like so, see, you can see what I am doing. And center, obviously we have to remove it full. So now if you will keep this on the paper, it will not stick, because it gives you little height from the paper, and straight away it will not stick. And we are ready with our card. Now we can give a fold. I have already scored my card base at 5 inches to make it 5 inches by 7 inches card. I am just burnishing my spine of my card here with my bone folder, and this is what we have got here, the final look. Isn't it looking beautiful? And what a beautiful idea of using your negatives, and you can use a new card out of those. So these are the 2 cards which I have made with 1 sentiment and 1 paper. So this is it. If you like this video, hit that like button, share with your friends and family members, and I will link the video of the other card as well somewhere in the screen, and I will come back with you with a new video soon. Thank you, and bye bye.